Proper ventilation is essential for maintaining a comfortable and healthy home environment. Without it, indoor air can become stale, humid, and uncomfortable, especially in climates like Slidell, where warm temperatures and moisture are common. One of the most effective ways to improve airflow in your home is by installing slider windows. With their simple design and wide openings, slider windows offer practical, long-lasting ventilation benefits that homeowners can enjoy year-round. One of the key advantages of slider windows is how they open. Unlike traditional windows that lift or crank outward, slider windows glide horizontally along a track. This allows one or both panels to open wide, creating a large opening for fresh air to enter. In Slidell homes, where airflow is crucial for managing heat and humidity, this design makes a noticeable difference in how comfortable your living space feels. Improved airflow is one of the most immediate benefits. Slider windows allow for consistent air movement, helping to push stale air out while bringing fresh air in. This circulation is especially helpful in rooms that tend to feel stuffy, such as kitchens, living areas, or bedrooms. By improving ventilation, slider windows help create a fresher and more inviting indoor environment. Another important benefit is their ability to support cross-ventilation. When slider windows are installed on opposite sides of a room or home, they create a natural airflow path. This allows air to move freely through your space, improving overall circulation. In Slidell, where humidity can build up quickly, this type of ventilation helps reduce moisture levels and makes your home feel cooler and more comfortable. Humidity control is a major concern for many homeowners, and slider windows offer a practical solution. Excess moisture indoors can lead to discomfort and potential issues like mold or mildew. By allowing more air to circulate, slider windows help regulate humidity levels and keep your home feeling dry and comfortable. This is particularly valuable in a climate like Slidell's, where moisture can be a constant challenge. Slider windows also make it easy to adjust airflow as needed. Because they open smoothly and require minimal effort, you can quickly let in fresh air whenever conditions are right. Whether you want a slight breeze or full ventilation, slider windows give you control over your indoor environment. This flexibility allows you to respond to changing weather conditions throughout the day. Natural cooling is another benefit that comes with improved ventilation. By allowing fresh air to circulate, slider windows can help reduce the need for constant air conditioning. While they don't replace your HVAC system, they can supplement it by providing natural airflow during milder weather. This can lead to lower energy usage and a more energy-efficient home overall. In addition to airflow, slider windows also contribute to a brighter and more open living space. Their large glass panels allow plenty of natural light to enter, making rooms feel more spacious and inviting. Combined with improved ventilation, this creates a comfortable environment that enhances both the look and feel of your home. Ease of maintenance is another advantage homeowners appreciate. Slider windows have a simple design with fewer moving parts, making them easy to clean and maintain. Keeping the tracks clear of debris ensures smooth operation and consistent airflow over time. This low maintenance feature adds to the overall convenience of choosing slider windows. Durability is also an important factor. Modern slider windows are built with strong materials that can withstand daily use and changing weather conditions. In Slidell, where homes may experience heat, humidity, and occasional storms, having durable windows ensures long-term performance and reliability. Finally, improved ventilation contributes to better indoor air quality. By allowing fresh air to circulate, slider windows help reduce indoor pollutants and create a healthier living environment. This is especially important for families looking to maintain a clean and comfortable home. In the end, slider windows offer a simple yet effective way to improve ventilation in Slidell homes. With their wide openings, smooth operation, and ability to enhance airflow, they provide lasting comfort and efficiency. For homeowners looking to create a fresher, more breathable living space, slider windows are a smart and practical choice.